We got a sweater here, and we got this nice thing going off. We'll see how that does. I got these which you could stick on, but I'm gonna do this first because I need to figure out where this thing goes first. Just sneak these in under the battery, which I may have to do the Coke trick. Pour some Coke to get rid of this blue stuff, but I'm just gonna take it off first. Y'all know how to change a battery. They just unscrew these. Whatever, man. Give the people what they want, huh? There you go. Eats away at the blue stuff. All right, now let's rinse it off. Just rinse it. All right. I'm just sliding this in here. You don't even need to go that far to take that out. Just sits right under this screw. And then tighten it. All right, it's hooked up. And we can turn it on. Okay. So now if it goes off. All right. Let's secure this somehow, right? Oh, it's charging. I'm gonna close the lid and open it again and see what happens. I heard a rattlesnake. That's creepy. That's gonna scare people at the supermarket. So I'm just gonna keep it. It's my animal mobile now. And that's how you turn your car into an animal mobile.